Hi, good afternoon to everyone. I will be the closing talk for today. Thank you for the ones you are staying to listen my quick talk. So here it is, the spray-on fabric technology. So basically, I was asked by a company in Paris called Coperni, and this company, they said, Manel, could you spray for us an instant dress in Paris fashion show? And I said, yes, of course. So I went to Paris in September and I sprayed to Bella Hadid, this top model, this instant spray dress. And basically that has created so much press that we had in 48 hours, 38 million viewers of these videos. If we had to pay for this publicity that we had, it would have cost us $26 million. So we've been basically featured everywhere, to New York Times, London Times, Vogue. It has been viral. So this technology, I have to tell you something, is not new. It's part of my research. I've been working for 15 years finding applications on this technology. And here you will see me 10 years younger on this video, working on this technology. Not happening? Now.
It could be any old haute couture fashion show, but these one-of-a-kind designer dresses started as a liquid and came from a can.
Liquid fabric is a suspension of polymers plus additives and fibers.
It's a new technology called Fabrecan, mixing tiny natural and synthetic fibers with liquid polymers inside an aerosol can. It turns into a non-woven fabric and goes on like a second skin.
The spray-on fabric, when it gets in contact with the air, it solidifies into this instant non-woven material.
Its designer transformed.
So here you could see me working 10 years ago already on this technology. So today I will have 10 minutes to tell you about this technology. And my presentation for today is a spray-on fabric technology from a liquid to an instant seamless dress material. So today what I will talk is about how it works, its applications, and basically applications in the fashion, medical, automotive, and oil spill management, and many other applications that we will not cover today, and you probably will have ideas of other applications how we could use this technology. So basically, how this technology it works. So basically, we have binders, we have fibers. The fibers can be synthetic, natural, or also recycling fibers. From the natural, we can work with cellulose, bamboo fibers. Basically, I almost fall down. Many other fibers. Also from synthetic, could be nylons, could be polyester. So, you know, it really allows us to work with any type of fibers. So also we work with additives to control the feel. You know, if we wanted hard materials or soft, the key thing about this material is that it dries instantly. We spray it and it dries instantly. So also another point that I would like to mention is that you know, the manufacture life cycle of this material, because we can redissolve it and respray again, it allows us to basically to have the material, dissolve it, spray it, and then be able to wear these t-shirts, bring them back to the shop, redissolve them, and be able to make more garments. So that's what I see for the fashion industry, a great technology, because the fashion industry, we change garments constantly. I think it will be a very interesting approach to be able to redissolve and respray again. So the ways we spray this technology could be with aerosol cans, with spray guns, systems of spray system robots or drones. Here are different textiles that we use. So basically fleecy materials, non-woven materials is a very good technology to carry nanotechnology. Even we spray gold particles. And then leathers, suede feels. So it gives us a good range of non-woven materials. Also, it could be in many patterns. Also, it's very good for embossing. Also, it works very well in a structure. So if we have a structure behind, we can spray and it will support. Great for sculptures. Also, here is a good way how I envisage to commercialize this technology. Imagine that we have a shop that, you know, basically they're selling our t-shirts, our garments. After a client has wear these garments for a season or two, could bring these garments back to the shop, and then they could be redissolved and respray again. So that's where I see a very good mini factory behind the shops to really create these garments. Here are some prototypes which we have done in our labs. Also, a place like today, you know, I think it will be fantastic to have a vending machines that you could really have the spray on t-shirts with any logos, any brands. Also, you know, it's like we can create very light sportwear, very good for recycling as well, all made with one material that can be redissolved and re-spray. And this is prototypes. Also for hats, I'm originally Spanish, but I'm coming from London, which in London we have lots of the hats events like ASCO, so I think a great application for light hats. Also, when a material can be sprayed on the skin, it leads by themselves applications on the medical, like an instant plaster, and I will show you prototypes how it works of this technology. So as you can see, we can spray from an aerosol this material. It's cushioning, it has also hydrogels, which they're absorbent of the exudate, and you can peel it in one piece. So here you have, I am always the guinea pig, trying it on my hands. And here you are. You have the instant spray on plaster.
How about spraying a new chair into existence?
Be able to use the specific material of a cast to be able to create furniture, or speaking with interior designers, even on a light, you know, to be able to have a hard light. And again, the material is totally non-flammable.
And here is another good way to test this technology on foam, which we have created prototypes for seats for the cars. And here we have some of the results. And then another area that I think could be very interesting is for the oil spills, the way this Fabrecan material works very well to be able to spray on water.
To be able to spray on large scale, that could be on the sea, on a large lake, of which they have a problem of spillage. It will be a good way to control the spillage. You have this fabric that is floating, is absorbing, as we can see, the oils. It will be very easy to clean it off afterwards.
So here is a very crude sample, but we have developed this in working with crude oils. But that was a good video how everything started and began. So here now, the way we're working and envisage is having drones spraying this fabric on controlling especially oil spillage. And here is my end of the talk. Fashion is our passion in Fabrecan, and this is our technology, which has many other applications. So that's it. That's for tonight. If someone would like any questions, I'm up for having a few questions. So thank you very much for coming.